What's up, YouTubers? Who is this? It's your guy, Unsociability. And I just got out of the shower, and as you can tell, it was about volcano eruptions caught on camera. This is actually very interesting to me, because I like volcanoes. Well, not
Volcanoes have
me,
helped shape our planet. They provide life, but also can take life away. Here's our list of the top 5 volcano eruptions caught on camera. At number 5, we have Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano, which erupted in 2013. Popocatépetl erupts every few years. Nearby residents have learned to stay well clear of this volcano.
I was saying that, Popocatépetl.
Last year, Mount Shindig erupted in Japan, which covered nearby towns in ash and dust for weeks. Luckily, the volcano is situated on an island, so most of the magma flowed safely into the ocean below.
Oh. Well, good thing it's on a separate island then.
These mountain climbers are certainly lucky to be alive after Mount Kushino Arabajima erupted in Japan. They quickly take cover behind rocks to shield themselves from the elements.
Wait, lava? Wait, or the smoke? Or wait, but that much atmosphere though, they might as well get a gas mask or something. Why not just get off the island where you got up from? They act like they're not in a hover. Oh god. I was about to say, if they hide behind lava, then they would be definitely dead. So I'm like, no way. Well, this camera angle is... That's how you know someone's in danger, to be honest. Ooh. Yeah, I would definitely put something over my face. I'm not bringing that in.
Costa Rica's Turrialba volcano erupted also last year. No one was reported to have been killed, but nearby airports and facilities had to be shut down for days until the ash subsided. Perhaps the most famous of all volcanoes, Mount St. Helens erupted in 1980. 57 people died in this eruption, making it one of the most deadly volcano eruptions in modern times.
In modern times, that long on camera? Well, it's black and white, so yeah, I guess so. Almost. Honestly, all I'm seeing is smoke, to be honest. I wish I could see a little bit, just a little bit more lava, but I guess because like they're in the air, this one, like, I guess they didn't erupt that much. Volcano, like top 5 eruptions, like probably happened this month, this year, or probably just, oh wait, never mind, I'm sorry. Anyway, that was it, guys, for total annihilation of volcanoes. Please leave a like, subscribe, and peace.